Morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are. In this tutorial, I'll show you a bit about Adobe InDesign and how to page number and look at paragraphs and page formats. Before I start, I'd like to cover a couple things. Bleeds are the areas that extend beyond the finishing page size, prevent the edges after printing and trimming, while slugs are the non-print area outside bleeds where print marks, notes, and other information are placed. Bleeds are necessary a part of many printing designs to ensure professional finish, where slugs are optional but can be used to communicate with the printer. A key fact about bleeds and slugs bleeds are where the page is cut off, where slug is a bit outside of the bleed. Also, absolute numbering is displays the overall sequential pages numbers, for instance, at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and section numbering displays the same thing, but you can use individual pages, or you can also use Roman numerals such as I and V. Into the tutorial. I start by going to Window Workspace, Essentials, and then going back to Essential Classics. I prefer this. And from there you can go Pages, shows you the list of pages that you've created. If you go to Custom, you can name this document or create a master. Add pages, delete pages, layers, links, pages back again. Click the double arrow key to close the panel. The bagger menu to see what you can do to the pages setup. Numbering sections is what I was mentioning at the beginning of this. So I've got on sequential at the moment. Sequential at the moment. No section, so I can change the section style. And there you have it. A quick tutorial teaching you a bit about InDesign.